In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom UI for Relevance AI. If you've ever wanted to have a personalized chat experience on your website, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can feel confident in creating an engaging and seamless chat interface that's perfectly aligned with your brand. First, let's access the agent chat configuration. You're going to begin by logging into your Relevance AI account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up. Once you're in, navigate to the agent chat section in your dashboard. This area is your control center for all things chat related, where you'll have the power to make changes and updates to your chat interface. Now that you're in the right place, let's dive into customizing the chat interface. The first thing you'll want to do is adjust the primary color. This is a key step in ensuring that your chat widget aligns with the overall aesthetic of your brand. Make it a color that fans of your brand will instantly recognize. Next, you'll want to upload a custom icon for the chat widget. This can be a logo or an image that represents your company and reinforces your branding. You can then modify the input placeholder text. This is a valuable opportunity to guide your users, letting them know the kind of interaction they can expect. It's essentially a welcome mat that sets the tone. Speaking of welcomes, you'll want to set the welcome message to greet your users appropriately. A friendly, inviting message can make all the difference in how users perceive their experience with your chat interface. With your customizations complete, it's time to embed the chat widget into your website. Relevance AI makes this easy by providing you with a snippet of code. This code is your key to unlocking the magic of your custom chat interface on your own site. You'll copy this code and paste it into the HTML code of your website at the very location where you want your chat widget to appear. It's important to double check this step, ensuring you have placed it in exactly the right spot to capture users' attention effectively. Finally, it's time to test the integration. This is a crucial step to verify that everything functions as expected, as this is where your customizations come to life. Visit your website and interact with the chat widget. You'll want to make sure the interface looks good, responds correctly, and provides a smooth user experience. By testing thoroughly, you ensure that your users will have a pleasant interaction with your brand every time they use the chat feature. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully built a custom UI for Relevance AI. Enjoy engaging with your users in a way that reflects your brand's unique personality.